Frustrated with the Media Foundation Play Library DLL pop-up blocking Windows OS Core? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. To start our guide for Media Foundation Play Library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Media Foundation Play Library, the Windows Media Foundation Playback Library, providing high-level APIs for rendering audio and video streams through the Media Foundation stack. It abstracts media playback for modern applications. If missing, media-heavy applications such as communication or music apps may fail with errors like media initialization failure. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Mfplay functions as a core component of your graphics or audio runtime. To fix this, perform a clean installation of the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime for legacy DirectX support, and update your graphics drivers if the file is part of a hardware-accelerated framework. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Media Foundation Play Library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. A vital technical reminder: modifying Media Foundation Play Library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing Media Foundation Play Library and maintaining system health. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Media Foundation Play Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.